I'm a baking and pastry major at the Culinary Institute of America, and I have 60 seconds to tell you about it. So why did I choose this major? I wanted to build a strong foundation of skills and learn from chefs who have a wide range of expertise and experience. My favorite class has been Confectionery Arts, where we make chocolate and sugar sculptures and work with fondant and gum paste. The way that I like to explain it, it's like an edible art class. Something that surprised me about this major is how many different career paths you can take with the skills and knowledge that you learn. And one of the most important things I've learned so far is how important machinery and tools are, keeping an open mind in and out of the kitchen, and making sure to make as many connections as possible. Where do I see this taking me in the future? Definitely I want to operate my own bakery, but I'm also interested in event planning, food media, and recipe development. I'm Dara Yu, and this has been Baking and Pastry Arts at the CIA in 60 seconds.